Promethean Whiteboard is amazing on its own, but just wait until you use it in tandem with a video. Perhaps you and your students are viewing a video, but you wish to pause and take the lesson in a new direction. At any time, tap the pink menu button, then Screen Capture. This captures the current screen and automatically adds it to a whiteboard canvas. With the selector tool in use, you may pinch and zoom to resize and rotate the image, and drag to move. You may also annotate over top of it. Simply tap the pink menu button and then the back button to return to the video. Your video will resume right where you left off. Every new screen capture will be added to the same whiteboard canvas, unless at some point you open a new whiteboard canvas. But remember, you have an infinite canvas for infinite possibilities, and you may save your whiteboard session at any time.